Guys, this is Taylor2167. I want to show you my doggies. They're so cute. Here's Bella. She's a lot bigger now, isn't she? She's all big now. And Tanner. Up here, my big monster. My monster truck. Guys, no, you're staying in here for my video. Come on. It's not that bad in the dungeon, is it? It's not that dark either. Come on, guys. Tanner, up here. Up here, Tanner. Come on. That's my big Tanner. And Bella. Come on, Bella. Good girl. Come on. Fatso. That's my baby. Have you been drinking? Your breath smells like alcohol. Okay, fine. I won't say that kind of stuff on YouTube. Okay, I stopped talking. Okay, you want the video. Okay. She doesn't want. She's the star. Tanner, come here. I want to interview you. Fine then. I'll do the one and the thing that'll get your attention. Come get the bell. There you go. That's my Tanner. You fatsos. Those are my dogs. Oh, by the way, look, I got a haircut. Watch. These are my dogs. They've gotten so big now. She's so big. They want out, but I don't want to let them out. I'm so awful, ain't I? Well, this is Taylor2167, and I am actually loving the dog style. I mean, the Poochie coats. I made that up. Watch. Just kidding, I'm not. Oh, here's my poster again. Isn't it so cute? Breaking Dawn. My mom got it when she bought the movie. Wedding package. It's called Bella's Wedding Package. I think that's what it was called. So, these are me and my dogs. And by the way, this bell was from my mom's wedding. Here are my dogs again. Bella! Oh, here, you got the bell? Can you give me the bell now? Give me the bell. Give me the bell. Good job. It's got... Thank you for the bell. It's got slobber all over it, but thank you. Oh, you want it here? You can keep that one. Giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Whoa, whoa. Okay, don't try that. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Hello to the camera. What do you want? What do you want, Tanner? What do you want from me? What did I ever do? No, this is my poop. Ow! Just kidding, it didn't hurt. Or did I? Or did it, I mean. Jumping on my bed and jumping on my bed. I can touch the ceiling. I can touch the ceiling. I can touch the ceiling.
Upside down, upside down, upside down.
Woo! Well, Tanner, here's our interview. Hey, no! What the heck? Fight, 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 fight. Just kidding. I do not approve dog fighting for pit bulls. People misunderstand them. I mean, they're so lovable and everything, you know. Just kidding. Well, Tanner, here's the camera.
Here's that.
Kind of bored. I don't know what to do, so I just made this video of my dogs. So awesome. So this is Taylor 267. Toodles.